Okay, well, I got out here this morning and found that my tire has gone aggressively flat. It's fine, at least as far as I was aware, all the way home last night. I hadn't noticed it. And then I got out this morning and it was that. Which, not really optimal. Now, yesterday was a mess. We got a whole bunch of rain. Everything was flooded. Ended up having to drive through some ponds. I mean, it was on roads that I'm used to, but apparently I have picked up something. So, we're going to jack this thing up, pop that thing off, maybe put a little air in it, see if we can fix it. But the fact that it went utterly equalized overnight, I'm a little concerned. But, I mean, I got 65,000 miles on these tires. They've done pretty good. There's still probably another 10 or 20 left on them. The tire's done real well. So I can't really fault them. I didn't really want to buy new ones yet. I was hoping sometime next year, but we will see. So we're going to go get the jack and take this tire off. Well, at least it's only flat on the bottom. Okay. So I think now we're going to put a little air in it and listen, because I bet we can hear this leak. That's a pretty good one. I hear it. Doesn't look like much. Right in the middle of one of the sipes. There's whatever was in it seems to have come out. Yep, I think we can plug that. So, alright, we're gonna go get the tools and the kit and see what we can do. Alright, let's see what we got here. Denatured alcohol. Leave that in there. Move the oldie rope plugs. Getting these things through the tool is always entertaining. There we go. Center it up. A little bit of rubber cement. Alright, am I going in the right place? Yep. There it goes. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Here. Alright. That should do it. Trim that little guy off. Good as new. Alright, well, I'm gonna pump that back up to, I don't know, 32-ish where I normally have it, and go from there. So, just a quickie, back on the road with my old Michelin's, plugging a tire. Gotta keep her rolling. Hope you all are having a good day. Talk to you all later. Take care.